Welcome to Nikit Engineers, where precision meets innovation. Today, we're diving into the world of stainless steel bellows welding using our cutting-edge Micro Circular Welder. Meet our state-of-the-art Micro Circular Welder, a powerhouse of precision welding technology. Engineered with perfection in mind, it's the go-to solution for welding stainless steel bellows with utmost accuracy. Why stainless steel bellows, you ask? These flexible components are crucial in various industries, ensuring seamless movement and durability in demanding environments. From automotive to aerospace, and industrial machinery to medical equipment, our microcircular welder is a game-changer. Its high-frequency welding capabilities ensure clean and robust welds, meeting the stringent quality standards of diverse industries. Precision is our forte. The microcircular welder creates intricate weld patterns, enhancing the structural integrity of stainless steel bellows, and ensuring longevity and reliability in every application. But what sets Nikit Engineers apart? Our commitment to automation. With our advanced robotic solutions, we not only ensure precision but also boost efficiency, reducing production times and costs for our clients. So, whether you're in the automotive, aerospace, or any industry demanding top-notch welding solutions, Nikit Engineers is your trusted partner. Elevate your welding experience with us, where innovation meets excellence. Nikit Engineers, welding automations and robotic solutions, shaping the future of welding technology. Visit our website and contact us today to revolutionize your welding processes. Subscribe for more updates on cutting-edge welding solutions. Thanks for watching.